Overcome Nightfall. Nocturnal emissions. Constant work pressure and a sedentary lifestyle are making things off balance for young-aged individuals. That's the reason guys at the adolescent age often deal with issues of nocturnal emissions. The problem is common, and there are lots of herbs to stop nocturnal emission naturally. So don't worry, you are not alone or dealing with life-threatening complications. The herbal pills to stop ejaculation during sleep are widely preferred as the safest method. Even experts suggest taking herbal supplements as they are rich in herbs to stop nocturnal emission. In this video, you will know Nightfall causes. Bonus tip.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Reasons for Nightfall. The problem of involuntary ejaculation during sleep is known as wet dreams or nightfall. It is prevalent between the age group of 18 to 22 years. Have a look at finding out why are you dealing with nightfall. Too much exposure to erotic symbolism. Constant practices of self-stimulation. Weak nerves. Varied medicines like sedatives and tranquilizers. Too much relaxation in the nerves. Too much intake of alcohol and smoking. Disturbed hormonal secretion in the body. Obesity. Lack of exercise. Hindered blood flow. With increased age, men become susceptible to hormonal imbalance and certain infirmities in the reproductive system. The lethargic reproductive system is the biggest reason for nightfall. To overcome this issue, you need to try taking herbs to stop nocturnal emission. Herbs to stop nocturnal emission. Young-aged individuals dealing with issues of nocturnal emission should not look for any treatment other than herbal remedies. Herbal pills to stop ejaculation during sleep contain beneficial properties of rich herbs that overcome debilities and weakness in the reproductive system. The best herbs to stop nocturnal emission are Nightfall, Haritaki, Shatavari, Asparagus racemosus, Withania somnifera, Asphaltum punabiunum, Asparagus ascendens, Myristica fragrans, Cinnamomum cassia, and saffron. All these herbs, as mentioned above, have rich properties and stamina-boosting benefits. Regularly taking these pills will boost the vitality of men who have a weak and lethargic reproductive system. Bonus tip. The biggest reason for nightfall is the infirmity in the reproductive system. Thus, it is advised to take stamina enhancer and vitality booster herbal pills to stop ejaculation during sleep. The best remedies are Vital M40 and NF Cure capsules formulated from potent herbs and powerful ingredients. Both the pills are 100% safe and natural remedy to cure varied sexual dysfunctions like premature ejaculation, low libido levels, poor health and vitality, lack of lovemaking stamina, hindered blood flow to the genitals, involuntarily discharge, aging. Both Vital M40 and NF Cure capsules are formulated carefully from the herbs to stop nocturnal emission and safe to be taken regularly. Combine the daily dosage of these pills with exercise, and within 2 to 3 months, you will be amazed to see beneficial results. NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules reviews reckon these pills are great for good vitality. If you want to know how to get NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Benefits of herbal remedies. These pills come with nutritive, purgatory, and hormone-balancing herbs that improve metabolic rate, cure deficiencies and promote smooth absorption of nutrients in the body to enhance energy, stamina, and strength. Purgatory herbs present in these cleanse liver, colon, and kidneys and keep blood purified. These benefits of NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules together reverse the ill effects of smoking, alcohol, medication, and harmful food and drinks and improve health and virility. NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules together are powerful anti-aging. Few herbal ingredients of these pills are excellent sources of antioxidants that inhibit free radicals and open up blocked blood pathways. These delay tissue aging and maintain youthful vitality, virility, and vigor. These pills resolve ejaculatory problems along with frequent nightfall. Males suffering from the lesser force of discharge or low ejaculate volume due to retrograde ejaculation gains higher pressure and complete ejaculation of semen for better orgasm and fertility. Counters stress and fatigue. The use of NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules together relieves stress and prevents mental and physical exhaustion. It keeps a male mentally more alert and sharp and treats insomnia or sleeplessness. The problem of insomnia can be a source of numerous disorders. The use of these pills improves sleep quality and naturally brings back a healthy sleeping pattern. These pills check progression disorders like anxiety, depression, and mood swings and improve mental health and brain functions. It fights back obesity and promotes healthy fat and sugar metabolism. Positive effects of these pills on the liver and other glands help maintain healthy cholesterol and sugar levels. World's finest wet dreams control pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.